face. Mama gave me a wink. She rolled up her sleeves, took off her sunglasses, and she whispered, we're going to the